Is Royal Caribbean's perfect day in Mexico dead in the water? Well, it looks like it just might be. Chris here with High Seas Cruising. Welcome to today's video. And we are here today to talk about Perfect Day in Mexico. Now, this was supposed to be a 230-acre private cruise destination. It was going to be built in Costa Maya, Mexico. And Royal Caribbean's already spent $292 million to secure this area. They had an additional $529 million set aside for construction. They've already been doing work on the surrounding roads in the area just to help improve transportation for both future construction and for the locals in the area. And while it has already faced some environmental concerns, already had some environmental delays, it did look like the project was going to go forward. Royal Caribbean's already announced that this was going to open in 2027. One of their newest and largest cruise ships, Icon of the Seas, was going to be sailing out of Galveston right around that same time. They were going to change its home port, which was going to be in conjunction with the opening of Perfect Day at Mexico. And now it looks like those plans may not happen. Yesterday, on May the 19th, the Mexican government did have a press conference in which they essentially canceled the entire project for Royal Caribbean. Now, this announcement came from the Ministry of Environmental and Natural Resources, their environmental group, and they said, "I would like to inform you that the Royal Caribbean Perfect Day project will not be approved. We know that the company is also seeking to withdraw from the project, but we will not approve it." Now, according to the press conference, Royal Caribbean had already quietly been taking steps to back away from the project. They could see this was going to come. Not 100% sure if that's, accurate. That's what they stated, not Royal Caribbean. And this stems from the environmental group's concern over how this would affect the mangrove ecosystem in the area. It's all environmental concerns at this point. Now, there was also a petition started in 2025 to block the project. That petition currently has 4.6 million people who didn't want this project to go forward. So what is going to become of Costa Maya? What is it going to become of Perfect Day in Mexico? They said Royal Caribbean's already invested $292 million. They essentially own that cruise port and the surrounding land around the port. Now, are we going to get Perfect Day in Mexico with the water parks and the pools and the slides and all that kind of stuff? Today, probably not. Is Royal Caribbean going to pull out? Probably not. I think we're going to see something different. A spokesman for Royal Caribbean did say, "Over the coming weeks, we will re-engage stakeholders to move forward in a way that delivers shared prosperity through the development of essential environmental infrastructure, the creation of thousands of local jobs, and community programs that support the people of Mexico." So it doesn't sound like Royal Caribbean is going to leave the area. It doesn't sound like they're going to give up on Costa Maya, but they're going to have to adjust and change their vision and what we may see in the future. I would not expect necessarily an opening here in 2027. At this point, it sounds like they have to go back to the drawing board, come up with something else, possibly. Now, this doesn't mean we couldn't see this go to court. Doesn't mean we won't see higher authorities in the government change their mind. Doesn't mean there still won't be a deal with Royal Caribbean and something's going to come out of Costa Maya. I would say today, more than anything, this is a major delay before we see how this is actually going to play out. So while we may be at the end of Perfect Day Mexico in its current imagined form, I don't think Royal Caribbean is done with Costa Maya at all, but we'll have to see what the future holds, what comes out in the future, and how this all plays out over the coming weeks. But what do you guys think? Were you looking forward to Perfect Day Mexico? Is that something you wanted to happen? Are you glad it's not going to happen? Did you think that perhaps the last thing we need out there is another private island destination? You guys let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think about the current canceling of Perfect Day in Mexico? And that is going to be our video for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.